Yo,
what's
up?
up?
Whoa. So today is the day. Finally, we got so many messages from you guys. You send us the videos, clips from all around the world. So today's the day. We're gonna share it. How it looks the situation everywhere around the world.
So now it's the time. We will show you the videos that coming.
So we will see. So enjoy today's video. Today's a little bit different, not as regular vlog, but we really would like to present you how it looks the situation from all around the world.
Okay guys, thank you so much for sending us video wherever you are and however it is. You showing us how is your current situation. We do really appreciate your effort.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for taking your time to making this video. And meanwhile, please enjoy.
Hi Winnie.
Hi Damien, we're from the Gold Coast, Australia. We miss Bali.
Thanks for your great vlogs and your great effort. Stay safe and keep them coming.
We
Miss Bali!
Hello monkeys, I'm Bianca from the Netherlands. We are living in Alkmaar and welcome in our tropical garden. We had to bring a little bit of the Bali vibes in our garden because we love Bali a lot. We also love your videos every day, and so we can see that life is coming back again at Bali. Stay strong you all.
I'm Nick from Perth and I'm a graphic designer. Keep up the good work with the blogs, guys. We're loving it, absolutely love it every day. Thanks very much, guys.
Good morning from Hamburg with a chai latte. There is a farmer's market where I just got my drink, and this is a beautiful park, and here's a canal. It's called Kuhmühlenteich, and this one leads to the Alster. It's really nice. Here's some ducks and some other birds, and there's even a swan.
Hey Damien and Winnie, this is Avik from India, and India as a country is doing much better right now in terms of COVID numbers. Well, last year we were in Bali on vacation towards the end of February and we came back on March, which is exactly when I think things started going downhill over there. Now we really miss the place and we have very fond memories of it in the form of photos and videos that we have taken, and thanks to your daily vlogs that those memories are still fresh as if they were from yesterday. It's good that you guys are still there, so stay safe, stay put and keep vlogging.
Hello! Many greetings from Germany. I miss being able to vacation in Bali, but I have some souvenirs from my last holidays, you can see, in my home. These souvenirs and your daily vlogs give me good vibes in my home. Thank you!
Damien, that's the view from my office. It's the port of Rotterdam. They load and unload the ships here. Greetings from Holland, also to Winnie. Stay safe and healthy. Bye bye.
Hello Damien, Winnie and the monkey family all over the world. This is Lindsay, Ellen and Marnie from Brisbane, Australia again. Just a quick one of our front yard here. This is see a kumquat tree there, and that's Dad's Australian natives in the front yard. That's our chili plant just down here. Where is it? Sending love from Brisbane, Australia. We're in lockdown. Bye for now.
Yo, big what's up from the Bali expats in the UK. Yo!
Yo, what's up? Damien and Winnie. Mark here from Melbourne, Victoria, Australia. Just in our lockdown number 6 and doing one of the 5 things that we can leave home for and going for a walk in the local park. Check it out, have a bit of a look around. It's a little bit cold and wet today. It's still nice to get out and about. Hope you enjoyed the little walk around our park. See you in Bali soon. See you, Damien. See you, Winnie. Bye-bye.
Down at Semaphore, South Australia. Winter's day. Beautiful. There's the wife. Just moving a bit of sand on the beach. Just after lunch.
Hi Damien and Winnie. This is my backyard pretty much. This is Cat Bay in Phillip Island, Melbourne, Victoria. I can flip it around. No, it's not really going to let me do it. I'm going to do it that way. Thanks everyone.
Hey, I'm Marta, Polish vlogger, and I've been living in Thailand for a year and a half. Currently on Phuket, the most beautiful, the most popular island in Thailand. But we also have some restrictions, so life is not perfect, but still not bad. I mean, it was my plan to move to Bali soon, but after the announcement of another lockdown, I decided to stay here longer. So if you want to know something more about current situation in Phuket or in Thailand, just check out my channel and enjoy the views with me. See ya!
Houseboat going down the River Murray in Bow Hill, South Australia. Beautiful place. Bow Hill General Store. Cruising down the river.
Hey Damien, Winnie.
Alright guys, maybe Damian yesterday already talked about the sending videos. And yeah, I know that we are just small numbers of subscribers, but we believe like the love from you, the love from around the world. You can help us to show the situation, how you are now.
Good, very good.
River Murray, South Australia.
Yo, what's up? Welcome to Port Beach down Frio Way on a beautiful sunny day.
Hi, I'm Jill.
And I'm Derek.
We're from Perth in Western Australia. Bali is our second home and we can't wait to get back. We love your vlogs, Damien and Winnie. Reminds us of all the good times. So we hope you enjoy. Take care, guys,
and see you tomorrow.
Hi, I'm Russell.
And I'm Lisa.
And we live in the southwest of Western Australia. This is our local beach. How you going, Damien? How you going, Winnie? Love your videos, love your work, guys. And this is our doggo, Wilbur. G'day, Wilbs. Say hello to the people of the world. Woof, woof.
Hi Damien and Winnie, this is greetings from Cape Town in South Africa. We have a beautiful sunny day today and this is the view from an area in Sea Point in Cape Town in South Africa. Sending you much love from Carmen and Francois, and we hope to be in Bali soon.
Halo, pantainya aduh rame banget ya. This is Benidorm, beautiful, penuh. Tapi memang pantainya bagus.
So we are in Puri Sunshine in Sun or in Bali, Indonesia, obviously, and that's how it looks. The peaceful situation, not so busy at all, and the beach is nearly empty at all. That's how it looks like. Bali, Indonesia right now.
Oh, honey, look, I've got a starfish.
Oh, so beautiful.
Look, so big. And then look at the tentacle going out. Ooh.
So nice.
Beautiful.
Put back to the water.
Wow. He's breathing.
Meanwhile, this is the starfish. Beautiful. And look the sky over here. So many cards.